Lord Jesus Christ, who said to your apostles, "Peace I leave you, my peace I give you." Look not on her sins, but on the faith of your church, and graciously grant her peace and unity in accordance with your will, who live and reign forever and ever. The peace of the Lord be with you always. Let us offer each other the sign of peace.
Love of God, you take